Hi, first graders. You probably noticed that these are very familiar penguins. The penguins are back for us to solve some math problems with. So I'm going to start with the first kind of math penguin problem. They're all penguin swimming problems, or swimming penguin problems, I should say. Okay, so sometimes I have other problems that are hidden behind here. But I'm gonna tell you that the some of these problems will have um, total unknown, so some unknown, SUM, some unknown. Sometimes they will have a part that is going to be unknown, and maybe in one of the problems you will have the start unknown. So there'll be different kinds of numbers that will be unknown, and you'll have to figure out which number you're trying to solve, which number you're going to try to find. Okay, let's start with this problem and see, which number is missing here? Is it a part that's missing? Is it the total that's missing? Is it the start number that's missing? Okay, so here we go. There are 9 penguins standing on the ice, waiting to dive in. You can see that there are 9 penguins. You can see that these are a group of 5 and then 4 more. So there are 9 on the ice, waiting to dive in. And 5 penguins already in the water. How many penguins in all? So which number are you looking for? How many penguins in all? What does that tell you? Are you trying to find a part? Or are you trying to find the total? I bet you figured out that you already know there's 9 and there's 5 more. So let's see if we can find the number rack to help us. So let's see, there are 9 on the ice. Did you see I didn't even count? I just moved the 9 because I knew that would be 10 if they were all together. 9 and 5 more. How many penguins altogether? Did you notice what I noticed? That there was a 10 right here and then 4 more. So let's see what the equation would be for here. Let's see if we can type in the equation. So 9 penguins plus 5 that are in the water already equals, that's your unknown number. Okay. So if I was really fancy, I'd put a box around it, but I don't think I can find the box right now. Is that what you got? 9 plus 5 equals what? And did you come up with the number 14 with a 10? 9 plus 5 turned into a 10 plus 4 problem? Is that how you solved it? Okay. So let's write the answer. The answer is 14. So in this one, which part was unknown? The sum was unknown. Right? Don't you think? Another way to say it was the total was unknown or result unknown. So there's a lot of different ways to put that. Total was unknown. Okay. Whoops, there's a crazy capital in there. The total was unknown in this problem. Later on, you'll have to solve problems like these. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here it says there are 8 penguins. Let me first clear this out. So when we start with the next problem, we have the beads in the start position. Okay, there are 8 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in. Okay, so let's just double check it's 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, 8. There are 8 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in. And some more penguins in the water. Ooh, some more penguins are in the water. There's a question mark right there. They don't want you to know how many. Or maybe that's what they want you to figure out. It's not that they don't want you to. They want you to figure it out. But wait, they tell us more. So there are 8 penguins standing on the ice, waiting to dive in, some more in the water. Important part coming up. There are 12 penguins in all. How many are in the water already? I think I need the number rack to help us. So I'm going to keep that in mind. 8 in here. We don't know in here, but we know that there are 12 penguins in all. So let's start with the 8 up on the ledges. And then some more. Then there are 12 altogether. What would be the equation for that? Let's think. You go ahead and pause the video and stop and write an equation that you think goes there. Is the total unknown? Is a part unknown? Is the start unknown? Start is not unknown. We already know that there are 8 penguins here. So we can be sure to start with the number 8. And then it says some more penguins in the water. When they say more, I don't think it's a subtraction problem. Do you know how many are in the water? No. So we're going to do a plus. We don't know. We do know that there are 12 altogether. So I'm going to go back to the number rack and go 8, some more. And then it'll become 12. I'm going to start counting up and see when I get to 12. Okay, well, that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. These 4 must have been in the water. Let's check. So we've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So we know that this problem is 8 plus 4 equals 12. Is that right? Is this a true equation? Or false? You check. I think you'll find that it's true. So there must be 4 penguins in the water. Okay, I'm going to the last one, and then I'm going to give you some problems that you're going to have to figure out for yourself. Okay, here we go. Last one. Wait a minute. The question mark on this hill. Look at this picture very carefully. What's going on here? Okay, let's see what it says. There are some penguins hiding behind the hill. Oh, they're behind the hill, waiting to run out and jump into the water. When they join the 5 penguins in the water, there'll be 11 penguins in all. How many penguins? Oh, wait. How many are hiding behind the hill? So pause the video, think, write an equation, and then when you've written it, then you can restart the video or resume the video, okay? So there are some penguins hiding behind the hill, waiting to run out and jump into the water. When they join the 5 penguins in the water, there'll be 11 penguins in all. Ooh, it says in all. There will be 11 penguins in all. Interesting. Okay. Did we know how many were behind the hill? Nope. So this is clearly start unknown. Okay. Plus some behind the hill, plus these 5 that are swimming that we can see, all together, let's see, 11 penguins in all. That's an important part. Some number plus 11, some number plus 5 equals 11. Now let's see how we're going to show this. First, I have to clear this away. So let's think about the number we don't know that's behind the hill, okay? And then there are 5 penguins that are in the water. We knew that, right? All together, there are 11. How many might have been behind the hill? Think for a second. Which number do I need to move here to make it 11? What do you think? Which number would I need if there were 10 altogether? 5, right? So if there are 11 altogether, there must have been 6 penguins behind the hill. Let's see if that adds up. 5 and 5 is 10, and 1 more is 11. Yeah, that works. So let's see if that'll work if we said 6 plus 5 equals 11. Is that true or false? Okay, so now you know that I've shown you 3 problems. One where the total was unknown. Here was, wait, we forgot to say what happened here. Part unknown. And finally, start unknown. Now I'm going to give you some problems along with this video where you get to solve problems sort of like that. Okay? Have fun.